Hello students, welcome to video lecture of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of finding evolute of the curve x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is equal to a cube. Sometimes this question will be asked something like show that evolute of this asteroid. This is asteroid. Okay, evolute of the asteroid is something in the sense they say that even they may put this question like this also. The same question may come as show that evolute of asteroid x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is equal to a raised to 2 by 3 is x plus y raised to 2 by 3 plus x minus y raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 2a raised to 2 by 3. 2 outside, a raised to 2 by 3. They may ask, they may give this example like this also. But one thing we need to keep it in mind, this is nothing but asteroid. Okay, very first we need to consider its parametric conditions. Consider the parametric equations of asteroid. There x is equal to a into cos cube theta, y is equal to a into sine cube theta. Fine, these two are the results. Therefore, we need to differentiate this with respect to theta to get dx by d theta. Here that is nothing but a differentiation of cos cube is 3 times cos square theta, then differentiation of cos theta is minus sine theta. Similarly, differentiating this with respect to theta will be dy by d theta, that is equal to a differentiation of sine cube is 3 times sine square theta, and differentiation of sine theta is cos theta. Therefore, let us consider y1, which is nothing but dy by dx, which is nothing but dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, which is nothing but dy by d theta is 3a into sine square theta into cos theta divided by dx by d theta is minus 3a into cos square theta into sine theta. So here it get cancelled, one sine get cancelled, cos also get cancelled. Then what remains? Sine theta by cos theta along with minus sine. Therefore, that is minus tan theta as a part of y1. Okay, y1 is equal to minus tan theta. Therefore, let us take y2. Then what is y2? y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square, which is nothing but d by dx of minus tan theta. Differentiation of minus tan theta is minus sec square theta, and differentiation of theta is d theta by dx, which is nothing but minus sec square theta into d theta by dx is 1 divided by minus 3a into cos square theta into sine theta. Fine. Therefore, y2 is equal to minus minus got balanced. Minus minus got balanced. Therefore, it is sec square theta into 1 by cos square is nothing but 1 by cos square is nothing but again it becomes sec. So what to do now? This is nothing but I'll take this sec as cos only to down. Then it is 1 divided by 3a into sine theta 1 by, when it is taken down, then sec square is nothing but 1 by cos square. Therefore it is cos square into cos square theta into this is taken as 1 by cos square. Therefore altogether it is y2 is equal to 1 divided by 3a into sin theta into cos raised to 4 theta. Fine. This is y2. Similarly, we go for center of curvature. C is equal to alpha beta, where alpha is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2, and beta is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. So these are the results. Therefore, calculation of alpha will be alpha is equal to x. What is x? X is nothing but a into cos cube theta minus y1. y1 is minus tan theta into 1 plus minus tan theta the square divided by y2. y2 is 1 divided by 3a into sin theta into cos raised to 4 theta. That is equal to a into cos cube theta minus it will plus. Then this part goes to the numerator. When this goes to the numerator, then what is the calculation part now? Calculation part says (3a) into sin theta into cos raised to 4 theta into tan theta. I'll take here. Alpha is equal to a into cos cube theta minus of minus plus, that into 1 by this, it goes to numerator. So 3a into sin theta into cos raised to 4 theta into tan theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Therefore, alpha is equal to a into cos cube theta plus 3a into sin theta into cos raised to 4 theta into cos theta. How do you take this cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta into 1 plus tan square, that is sec square theta. Therefore, alpha is equal to a into cos cube theta plus here we can see 3a into sin theta into cos raised to 4 theta into sin theta by cos theta into sec square theta. Sec square theta is nothing but 1 divided by cos square theta. So cos and cos square get cancels with this. Okay. Therefore, what remains? Alpha is equal to a into cos cube theta plus 3 times a into sin theta into after the calculation, what remains? After the calculation, 1 cos 1 sin into sin. So it is sin square theta into cos theta. Sin square theta into cos theta. Fine. Anything common? A common. Take it out. Then a comes out. Then inside the bracket it is cos cube theta plus 3 times sin square theta into cos theta. This is the value of alpha. Similarly, if we calculate the value of beta, let beta is equal to y plus, y is a into sine cube theta plus 1 plus y1, that is minus tan theta this square, divided by y2, that is 1 divided by 3a into sine theta into cos raised to 4 theta. Fine. That is nothing but a into sine cube theta plus, this goes to the numerator, that is 3a into sine theta into cos raised to 4 theta into, now it is 1 plus of 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, therefore beta is equal to a into sine cube theta plus 3 times a into sine theta into cos raised to 4 theta into 1 plus tan square. What is 1 plus tan square? Sec square theta. Okay, therefore beta is equal to a into sine cube theta plus 3 times a into sine theta into cos raised to 4 theta into sec square is nothing but 1 by cos square. It get cancelled. Clear? Therefore what remains? Beta is equal to 1 cos square and sine. Okay, then a is common, keep it out, then a is taken out, then it is sine cube theta plus 3 times sine theta into cos square theta. So this is the value of beta. Clear? Therefore, how do you get the solution? Getting solution is a bit tricky. Tricky in the sense, I'll call the value of this alpha as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Okay, so let us please concentrate here, then how best it can be simplified. To eliminate theta from equation number 1 and 2. Fine. What to do? First, add equation number 1 and 2. Let us see what happens. Then we take equation number 1 minus 2. Here if we add equation number 1 and 2, it will be, you can see alpha minus beta is equal to a into cos cube theta plus 3 times sine square theta into cos theta minus a into sine cube theta plus 3 times sine theta into cos square theta. Fine. Cos square theta. Now sorry, adding. First we add. Okay. Then what do we get? Alpha plus beta is equal to, adding a is common, keep it out. Then it is sine cube theta plus cos cube theta plus 3 times sine theta into cos square theta plus 3 times sine square theta into cos theta. What it is? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3ba square. So this is nothing but alpha plus beta is equal to a into cos theta plus sin theta raised to 3, means it is like a plus b whole cube. Clear? Similarly here we will be taking alpha minus beta, that is a into cos cube theta plus 3 times sin square theta into cos theta minus a into sin cube theta plus 3 into sin theta into cos cube theta. Fine. So here again what we do, alpha minus beta is equal to, if we take a common, then here it is sin cube theta minus just a minute, cos cube theta minus sin cube theta, cos cube theta minus sin cube theta, then 3 times sin square theta into cos theta minus 3 times sin theta into cos square theta, which is nothing but alpha minus beta is equal to, if we take a common, a is already taken, then it is what? A square minus b square, a square minus b square plus 3 times a square b minus 3 times b into a square. That is nothing but cos theta minus sin theta raised to 3, that is cube. So these two results we got. Okay, then what is to be calculated? We can see other part says x plus y raised to this, means we need to add these two, and here directly it is given. So what to do? We need to take the power on both sides. That is, let us take the power alpha plus beta raised to 2 by 3. Raised to 2 by 3. What we take? We'll take raised to 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. Yes. What best can be done? It will be equal to square. When we take this, we can see here, when this power will be used, alpha plus beta raised to 2 by 3 when we take, then automatically this cube will get cancelled. Fine, this cube will get cancelled. Therefore, apply the power 2 by 3 on both sides. Then it will be alpha plus beta raised to 2 by 3, that is equal to a raised to 2 by 3 into cos theta plus sin theta raised to 3, that raised to 2 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. Therefore, alpha plus beta raised to 2 by 3, that is equal to a raised to 2 by 3 into bracket cos theta plus sin theta, that raised to 2. Similarly, alpha minus beta raised to 2 by 3 again if you take, then it becomes a raised to 2 by 3 into cos theta minus sin theta raised to 2 by 3 raised to 3. 3 get cancelled, so it is square. Fine, this is square. Then better we'll add these two results. When we add these two results, we can see alpha plus beta raised to 2 by 3 plus alpha minus beta raised to 2 by 3 is equal to, adding these two, a raised to 2 by 3 into cos theta plus sin theta raised to 2 plus a raised to 2 by 3 into cos theta minus sin theta the square. Therefore, a raised to 2 by 3 is common, then inside the bracket we will be getting cos theta plus sin theta d square plus cos theta minus sin theta d square. When we take its expansion, then we will be getting a raised to 2 by 3. The expansion says cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 times sin theta into cos theta. Similarly here, cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 times sin theta into cos theta. So it get cancelled. Then cos square plus sin square is equal to 1 and cos square plus sin square is equal to 1 again. Therefore, we will be getting 2 times. Fine. So you can see what we have done here. So let us take alpha plus beta the square plus alpha minus beta the square. I'll be considering these two results. 1, 2. Then that is equal to, already we calculated here. Similarly, so a raised to 2 by 3 into cos theta plus sin theta the square plus a raised to 2 by 3 into cos theta minus sin theta the square. Okay, that is equal to a raised to 2 by 3 common, then expansion of this will be cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 times sin theta into cos theta plus expansion of this will be cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 times sin theta into cos theta. Therefore, it get cancelled. Therefore, this result is equal to taking here, this result is equal to alpha plus beta the square plus alpha minus beta the square, that is equal to a raised to 2 by 3 into cos square plus sin square is 1. Again cos square plus sin square is 1. Therefore, alpha plus beta the square plus alpha minus beta the square is equal to 2 times a raised to 2 by 3. Now you may ask, then this is not our desired result. Our result should be something in the form of x and y. So what to do? Replace alpha by x and beta by y. When we replace this, then we'll be getting x plus y raised to 2 here it is 2 by 3